So I already have my base and brows done. I really wanted to play with some of the new colors that are available in the month of March as far as pressed eyeshadows go. So the only one I was unable to get because it is sold out is Thankful, which is a really vivid blue. Anyways, they look really cute. They look very pretty. And I just thought, like, maybe we should play. So let's see what we can do with these beautiful colors. I don't have a look planned, but I kind of feel like doing something a little colorful, which I don't think is all that shocking. So let us start off. I'm going to use the Deluxe brush. I'm going to go into Witty, which is the orange that's a satin, and I'm going to start. Oh, wow. That is incredibly pigmented. Whew. Okay. Well, that is a little more than I was anticipating, but let's see what we can do here. Wow, that is the lighter orange. Sweet goodness. I mean, I did want something vivid. I was looking more to like layer it as opposed to like apply it all at once, but sometimes I forget how pigmented these colors are, and then I do this. It's really pretty though. So this is Witty. So it is a satin in order to get like more versatility, because even though I have hooded eyes, they're always like, oh, you should use mostly matte colors and definitely matte colors above the crease. And I get that, and I try to follow the majority of those types of rules. But I do feel like, particularly the unique pressed eyeshadows, the satin ones are still good for the crease. I can use them interchangeably with matte colors because they don't have a huge amount of shimmer, so I feel like they look good in and above the crease. Really, that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit of that on the lower lash line as well. This reminds me that I loved like the orange colors and the reds and the pinks when I had my hair blonde last year. So it's just so interesting. That's one of the reasons I love to play with my hair, is because you're attracted to different colors, and sometimes the look, even though my skin, I mean, I'm always pale, so that doesn't change, the look of it on your skin can be totally different from what you thought it would be. And I think that's pretty cool. I like that. All right, so next, I really wanted to try Fancy, which is the light blue. So I'm going to go in and put that on my eyelid, and I'm going to use the cream shadow brush. So this I also believe is a satin color, so, ooh. Oh, that is very pretty. Oh wow, it actually kind of looks grayish, like it matches with my shirt a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go into Lively, which is so these are the ones that I've used so far. So we did Fancy, which is the light blue. We did Witty, which is the orange. And now we're gonna go in with the even darker orange, but it's matte. And this one is Lively. I think I wanna put this in like the outer portion of the outer V. Just kind of deepen this area a little bit. On a crease brush for the inner corner highlight, I want to do Gentle, which is like a really pretty like beige super shimmer. So I think I want to put that on the inner corner. Ooh, that's really pretty. That would be nice for just like an all over lid color for like a more natural look. And then I think on the outer portion, I might apply a little bit more Fancy. And I think on the outer portion of that, I'm gonna put Gifted, which is a shimmery purple. It's feeling colorful today. I want spring to be here. Put a little bit more fancy on. I don't want to lose that intensity. Put a little bit of fancy and a little bit of gifted together. Ooh, I mostly got fancy that time. A little bit of gifted and try to sort of mesh them in the center. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue on that inner portion of the lower lash line. Should do polar eyeliner, which is the electric blue. I'm gonna do that on the upper lash line. Kind of extending it a little bit on that edge, not quite a wing. Just curl lashes and add mascara. Just put my thumb right into the blush. Oh, this looks really pretty. Let's do some prim liner, which is just like a light brown, and then some sublime, which is a nude. And for the record, sometimes I do try a lip color and it fails. And I just have to take it off and try a different one. So, okay, I'm gonna do the cream shadow brush to put this on because I feel like the doe foot applicator applies too much product and I don't want that much. So I'm just gonna use the cream shadow brush. So if you ever do that, like I do my eyes first. So if you do your eyes and then you pick a lip color and you put it on and it just does not go, do not feel bad. Take it off, try a different one. Sometimes it's hard to tell. You don't know till you put it on. Alright, and that is our finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching.